Hi guys, so this is the third question of today's Codeforces round 923. Choose a different ones. So here also you are given an integer, and you are given an array A of n integers, an array B of m integers, and an even number k. So you have to tell from this like A and B if it is possible to make a permutation of 6, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, if k is 6, like from every integer from 1 to k, such that the half of the integers should be present in the first A array and the half of the integer should be present in the B second array. So that is what you have to do. So first what I can do is, what I've done is, let me show you. So I've taken the input 6 and 5, and then this is k, right? 6, this is k. And what I've tested is, first I've taken these input in sets so that there would be no repetition of any kind. Like for example, in this case, if we'll see 5 and 5 are two times, so it is a repetition is going on now. So this should not happen. For this, I have taken this both in sets. If I'll take this in set, then what would be the answer? Let me show you. Yeah. So first of all, 5 will go, and then there will be two sets, A and B. I've taken as AR and then BR. In these two sets, I have iterated through these sets and uh, recorded all the elements, like how I've taken two variables A, B, and then C. A is for this one set, like how many elements are below 6 or equal to 6, and how many elements are in B set below 6 or equal to 6, and C is a duplicate elements. Okay, so A is like 2, 3, and 5, right? So A is equals to 3, then B is equals to 1, 3, 4, and 5. Means here it is 4. And after that, what I have done is I have iterated through both the elements. Like at the time of iterating through B, I have checked which of the elements are duplicate. So I am seeing that 5 element is here duplicate, and except for that there's no other element, so which is also less than let's say 6. For example, if I've taken 10 here, then this would not be calculated in C. Why? So because 10 is less than 6 and here our k is 6, so I will be doing all the operations for k for numbers less than 6 or is equals to 6. So the answer would still here be like 1, because 5 and 5 are there, right? We will just ignore these 10, 8, this here 10. I'll just ignore these numbers that like they're not even existing. So after that, what I will do is I will check A minus C should be less than 3, right? And A and B minus C should also be less than equals to 3, right? This should be why, because even after taking out, because after taking out the like duplicates, the answer should always be less than 3. Why? Because like duplicate will go either here, right? It can't go above that. So let's talk about another test case. If at any point like 1 2 3, right? So let's talk. If I would have done here instead of 6, 6 would have been here, then the answer would here be 5, and the duplicates would still be 1, right? So B minus C, that would be 4, which is bada than, which is bigger than 6, right? So what is the answer? It means I'll have like, because these four characters which are in B are not in A, so I will have to take these four characters to make any permutation of 6. So I can't just leave any of these four characters. So these four characters are mandatory to be taken from the B, from the B group. So which is like bada than, not bada than 6, which is bada than k by 3, means which is bada than sorry, k by 2, which is bada than 3. So accordingly the answer would be wrong now, because you have to choose k by 2 numbers, right? You have to choose like the half of, like the half of the number should come from the bth uh, array, and the half of the number should come from eighth array. In this case, what is happening, that more than half the number are mandatory to be taken from the bth array, so the answer would already be wrong. So that is why what I have done is like, hmm, I have checked if it is like, if it is equal to or less than 3, then we'll check next thing. If it is not, then accordingly the answer would be no. If this is like, if after even these two things the answer is less than 3 or equal to 3, then we will check that a plus b, right, plus, right, a plus b, um let's not talk about, yeah, a plus a minus c plus b minus c plus c should be equal to 6, right? All, like there should be all numbers present of 6, only then the permutation could be made, no? So there should be like 6 numbers who are which are in there, okay? uh, Adding all the numbers of a and b array, there should be 6 numbers. So simplifying this equation, I can just write a plus b minus c should be equals to 6. So if it is there, like this should be equal to 6, not less than 6 or more than 6, because then the answer would be wrong here, right? Because we need exactly 6 numbers to make the permutation of 6 here, right? Not less than 6, not even bigger than 6. So if this condition is following, then the answer would be yes, either else it would be no. And this is my code also here. Yeah, I'll show you my code, but the thing is, my code is a little bit messy here. So I'll show you here in the notepad. So I've taken nmk, then I'll show you here also. Yeah, nmk, then nmk, then after that I've taken sets ar and br. After that I have inserted that in these elements into ar and br. Then I've taken a new vector cc, which is k plus 1 and 0, right? Then I've taken all the elements of, I've compared all the elements of ar, right here. Yeah, this is, I think, more better. Yeah, I've completed all the elements of ar here, and if this element is less than k, then I have like I have increased the value of a. Also simultaneously I'm कहते हैं, I'm increasing the value of that, like less than 6 means 5. So I am increasing the index position in this vector 5 as plus 1. So if at any point it becomes 2 in the second layer, after that I've taken the second array and done the same thing here. But in this array I'm also checking that if at any point like this becomes 2, at any point like this becomes 2, then c would be here plus plus, right? Then c would be like, then I'll increase the value of c. Then I have made a like another thing, like if this or this or this is not, if any of this is like happening, then the answer would be no, else the answer would be yes. That is what I have done here also. Yeah, I told you na, this one and then this one, that's it. If any of these things are not happening, see, this is not happening, this is also showing bada than k by 2, this is also showing bada than k by 2, then the answer would be no. Thank you.